welcome back to Zig the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to log in Ome TV without Facebook. So first thing you have to do is open up the app and you're going to see continue with Facebook, continue with Google, continue with Recode, and you're going to click on continue with Google. Once you click on that, you have to click on the Gmail you want to use, the email account you are going to use, and you wait for it to load up. You have to automatically select all for there to actually see your gender and your date of birth. So afterwards, you click on continue and you can see it's set up already. It's very simple, right? So it's trying to connect and you can just pick and the country, then you are good to go. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.